With the introduction of the long-life lead-free O2 sensor, you now have two options when choosing an O2 sensor for the Ventis Pro series. This includes the Pro 4 and the Pro 5. Now, the original unbiased sensor had a typical lifespan of 18 to 30 months. The biased sensor, the long-life sensor, has an expected runtime of 3 to 5 years. This will be considered the standard oxygen sensor. Now, the differences between the two. The unbiased sensor doesn't require power. This also means that it won't drain as much battery when it's installed in the instrument. The biased sensor requires constant power. Now, the sensor is actually shipped from the manufacturer with a battery installed and a bias board. This bias board, prior to installation, would be removed and then the sensor could be installed in the instrument. When it comes to power, the sensor doesn't have an exact directly proportional amount of time that it needs to charge versus the time that it was actually unpowered. Notice the two columns of the chart on the screen. The unpowered time on the left is not directly proportional to the charging time before zeroing on the right. In most cases, in most typical applications, this will not be an issue. You'll routinely use your instrument and place it on a charger or a docking station. When this might become an issue is when the instrument has been sitting too long without a charge. With regard to biased sensor management, I mentioned that the sensor does need to be powered. Should you find yourself in a situation where the sensor has not been powered, when you turn the instrument on, after it does its startup and it gets to the operational screen, you'll find a clock icon appears where the O2 sensor reading will be. This could be for up to 10 minutes as it allows the O2 sensor to stabilize.